I'll guide you through the process of earning and redeeming Western Union rewards so you can stop paying full price for your money transfers, all while unlocking exclusive perks like Amazon gift cards and retail discounts. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Earning rewards on your Western Union transfers is one of the easiest ways to save money, but you have to be enrolled to start stacking points. You can join the WU Rewards program for free in 3 ways. If you're a new user, simply check the rewards box when you register your profile on the app or the website at westernunion.com. For existing users, just log in and navigate to the Rewards or My WU section in your menu to opt in. You can even enroll in person at an agent location, and your unique rewards number will be printed right on your receipt. The primary way to build your balance is through qualifying transfers. In the US and Canada, you'll earn 100 points for every single transfer you send, regardless of the amount. A quick pro tip for new members: you can get a massive head start by completing your online profile, which often triggers an instant 250-point bonus. Your points are typically credited to your account as soon as your receiver picks up the money. If you want to earn rewards even faster, you should use the Refer a Friend program. When you share your unique referral link and your friend completes an online transfer of at least $100, you'll receive a $15 Amazon e-gift code, and your friend will get a $10 code plus a $0 transfer fee on their first transaction. You can refer up to 20 people, which means you could earn up to $300 in gift cards just for spreading the word. When you're ready to save, you can redeem your points for fee discounts. For example, in the US, 500 points can be redeemed for a $2 discount on your next transfer fee. To use them, just log into the app or website, go to the rewards section, and select your discount. It will be applied automatically at checkout on your next transaction. It is worth noting that in some regions like Europe or parts of Africa, Western Union is currently refreshing the program. So you might find that earning new points is temporarily on pause, though you can still redeem any existing points you already have. Beyond points, being a member gives you access to the Rewards Shop. This is a portal where you can find exclusive discounts of 20 to 25% off brands like 1-800-Flowers and Harry and David. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.